Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we have listed the top of the best battle ropes in 2022 to help you find the right one for your needs and budget. So, let's get started. Let's begin with Profect Sports. This Profect Sports is a 100% PolyDac Battle Rope Set that includes everything you need for killer abs, arms, shoulders, back, and legs workout with cardio conditioning to burn away the fat. Made from high-quality, premium materials, you can ensure that your weighted workout rope won't start fraying and coming apart, even on concrete. And featuring a heavy-duty, extra-long coated handle, it can also protect your hands and give you a secure grip for all your training and exercises. Its non-slip strap design can eliminate rope slip and prevents extra wear for better workouts. And to maximize your training, you can also use its extreme tensile strength, reinforced nylon anchor straps, and carabiner to secure your battle rope anywhere in seconds. If you are looking for the best budget option in battle ropes, then this YUELIVES will be worth considering, as it is the best budget option on our list without compromising on its performance. This battle rope is suitable for people of all ages. Its long and thick ropes have more weight, providing a more powerful workout. And coming in 1.5-inch diameter and 30 feet in length, it is ideal for home gym and outdoor workouts, as it will be easy to carry and can also be used with one end of the battle rope fixed. They can work each arm independently, eliminating strength imbalances as they shape your muscle. And using a high-strength polyester, this battle rope is strong and durable, which will not be easy to wear and tear, and will not break or loosen during use, while its heat shrink grips offer improved grip and protection for you. Next up, we have an excellent option from Amazon Basics. This Amazon Basics Battle Exercise Training Rope is available in 30, 40, and 50-foot lengths. Coming in a portable and flexible design, it can be used almost anywhere, indoors or out, as all that's needed is a stable anchor, like a tree or a pole. This 3-strand thick, heavy-duty exercise rope features a durable polyester blend with the high tensile strength to prevent breakage and fraying. And in addition to the familiar undulation exercises, this versatile rope can also be used for pulling or climbing activities, alone or as part of a team. Next is Power Guidance. These Power Guidance battle ropes are all nylon sleeves covered to protect the rope from friction and make it more durable to last many years of usage. It has superior quality heat shrink ends, which are perfect for training grip and hand strength that will help you get a better grip when performing the exercises. And featuring heat shrink caps on the ends means it can also help keep its shape and protect your hands at the same time. It can train the core strength, engages the hands, arms, shoulders, back, and even legs for a full body workout. You can use this rope to sculpt muscles, improve endurance, and burn calories. And the other impressive feature of this rope is that it can also increase reaction time and metabolic rate, which is an added benefit. Lastly, we have the Garage Fit. This is a 3-strand thick training rope that is made using a highly durable polyester blend that is wear resistant to prevent fraying even when used outdoors. With high tensile strength, it can prevent the breakage experienced with other products. And what's more impressive is that it even comes with a blue tracking line for easy maintenance. Its heat shrink caps at the ends not only prevent it from unraveling, but also offer unmatched grip. This 10-inch waterproof sleeve is really handy that will allow you to work out even without gloves. And finally, moving on to its storage. You can easily roll up the Garage Fit rope for storage when not in use, while its flexible design will also for convenient portability, allowing you to take your power rope to the gym, park, or beach. Thank you for watching. If you like this video and want to hear more from us, please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified of our new videos.